The 2018 Dodge Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.